Hello friends, myself Abhinarayan, and now today I will teach you past perfect tense. So what is past perfect tense? Simply say that we used past perfect to talk about something that happened before another action in the past, or simply say that the past perfect tense is used to express an action completed before another action took place. Rule: subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. Here verb third form means past participle. So this is the third form of the verb, and in each and every perfect tense we will use third form of the verb. It means past participle. So remember all the forms of the verb. Example: I had won the match. So win is the first form, and here won is the third form. Second example: he had gone to Delhi yesterday. So these are the example of past perfect tense. Now the structure of the past perfect tense is, here are few notes. See here, in order to form the past perfect tense we use had before the past participle. It means third form of the verb. So before third form of the verb we will write had, and now in this tense had is the helping verb. Either your subject is singular, plural, any name, he, she, it, they, etc. We will always use as a helping verb had before the third form of the verb. So it is very easy. And there is only one helping verb in this sentence. So remember it. And you will not confuse that when we use what we use with the help with the subject of singular or plural. Now, first one we will discuss about affirmative sentences. A rule for the affirmative sentences: subject plus verb second form plus object. Example: Ram had written a letter. So write is the first form, wrote is the second form, and written is the third form. So here Ram had written a letter. So see here, if you know the rule, you will write your sentence, and if you don't know the rule, you will not write your sentence. So everything in your hand. If you want to improve yourself, learn it and write it. Second example: they had cooked food. Now in the negative sentences, note: not is used after had. So if you want to make any sentence in negative, you will write not after had, because had is the helping verb. Rule: subject plus had plus not plus verb third form plus object. So see here, we will write not after the had. Example: they had not cooked food. Ram had not written a letter. So these are the example of negative sentences. Now here we will discuss about interrogative sentences. Note: had is used before the subject. Rule: had plus subject plus verb third form plus object question mark. So again here we will write helping verb first in the interrogative sentences, and here helping verb is only had. And if you want to change in WH type, you will write WH before had. Example, see here, these are the example of interrogative sentences. Had they cooked food? Question mark. Had Ram written a letter? Question mark. So you also try to take a single sentence and change it in all the forms like affirmative, negative, negative, interrogative, interrogative, like this and this. Now fourth one is interrogative negative sentences. Now note here, had is used before subject and not is used after subject. So see here, in interrogative negative we will use had before the subject and not after the subject. See the rule: had plus subject plus not plus verb third form plus object question mark. Example, had I not finished my homework? Question mark. Had they not played football? Question mark. So these are the examples of interrogative negative sentences. So please remember it. Try to learn all the rules and also try to write different types of sentences of the past tense, because past tense is very helpful in story, and your story carry 10 marks in your board exam and in every exam. Okay, now practice more and more and achieve good marks.